Alright, so today's lesson is spelling lesson 2, pages 95 to 97. It is lesson 10, and then our homework's going to be lesson 11 and 12, which are the quiz 2 and the spelling quiz 2. Okay? So today in class we're going to learn the spelling words and talk about the meaning, and then you can do the quizzes for homework. I can see if you remembered. Okay? Alright, so first one, let's look at the words first, okay? First word is article. Everyone, article. Good. A section of a written document, an essay for a magazine or newspaper. Usually we see articles in magazine, right? Or newspaper, right? When we look at magazine, we see some writing that's not very long, right? That's called an article. It's just a section. Sometimes we can see article in an essay, but not very often. Like when you go to university, you might find long essays written by like scientists or professor. They write like 50-page essay. So there is different articles in the essay. So it's kind of strange, but it's because it's so long, they made articles, okay? Like that. All right, next one, attention. Keeping your mind on something, care or consideration. Very easy. So I say pay attention, right? That means look at me, focus, okay? So if I have your attention, I have your mind, right? I have your mind. But sometimes when you lose attention, you can think about something else, right? You're like, oh wait, I need to go to the grocery store today, or something, you know? Like you're thinking about other things, okay? Next one, bicycle. Bicycle. Easy, we know bicycle. Of course, two-wheeled vehicle. But actually very important, some people get confused with unicycle. You don't say one-wheel bicycle, you just say unicycle is one wheel, right? Two wheels, bicycle. B-I, that means two. Bicycle, okay? B-I means two.
Bike is, uni is one.
Yeah, uni means one. B-I is.
Try.
Uni is one. By is two. Yeah, try is three.
Four. What is four?
Quad. Five? What is five?
Quad.
Yeah. So like, for example, what can we use quad for? Quadrilateral. That's four-sided shape. Yeah. Quad. What else do we use? I know a good example for quad. When you go to university, some university has quad. It means like outside garden, and there is a box, and this is where the students hang out. Like they chat with their friends, or they sit on the bench. It's like park. But they call it quad because it's concrete, four sides. Like that, so it's called the quad. So you say, hey, meet me at the quad. Means like, meet me at the, outside the four-sided concrete, okay? So, try, is there any other words? Tricycle, what else? I can't think of anything else. Triangle, of course. 3 angles. So, if you see a word that has try in the beginning, it means 3 something. But it has to be like a compound word. Triangle. Try and angle. Angle is side. Try is 3. So you can't say like, for buy, you can't say bite. No. But no. Bicycle, because 2 cycles. 2 wheels, 2 cycles, okay? So bite doesn't make sense. T-E, what does that mean? Nothing, okay? But like, for example, there is also bilingual. Do you know bilingual? Means you can speak 2 languages. So you are bilingual because you speak Korean and you might be trilingual if you speak 3. But you have to be really good. So like I would say like Vicky teacher is bilingual, right? She can speak English and Korean both easily. Okay? Trilingual, quadlingual? No, I don't think that's a Latin word. You don't say unilingual, no, because one language is of course you speak one, okay? So bilingual, that's very important. 2 languages. Bilingual means language, okay? So don't forget these. That'll help you in later time when you have hard word. Especially if you learn science, if you're going to become a doctor, you might need this very often, okay? All right, next one. Boxes. Containers made of stiff material. We know boxes, but important, stiff material. Stiff means hard, not soft, okay? So if it's a box, it has to stand up. That's why it can't be soft. If it's soft, it's going to fall, and that's not a box, that's a table now. It's flat, or floor. So it can be soft as long as it's stiff. Stiff means it's not really hard, it stays up. It doesn't fall. That's what stiff means, okay? Like that. Next one, churches. Buildings used for worship. We know church, right? Many people go to church. It can be any kind of church that you use, okay? Next one, circle. A round line. We know circle. Very easy. Next, edge. Cutting part of a blade, ledge, or end of a cliff. So 2 meanings. Cutting part of the blade means, hi Sally, welcome to class. Here's a blade, like a knife, maybe, small blade. Like a blade means a small knife. So the edge is the cutting part. Here, that's the edge. So the part that cuts is called the edge. Or second meaning, here is the edge of the table, right? So the end of something. So if I'm miniature, I'm going to fall off the edge. Okay? Like cliff, like mountain cliff is the edge, okay? I know. Or from Lego Man. But they don't have blood, so it's perfect. Okay? Alright, next. Oh my gosh. That's okay though, because he can just go like this. Put it back on his belt. Next one, fasten. Looks like fast N, but the way you speak a little bit faster. You say fasten. T sound is very soft sound, okay? Fasten to join or connect. Biggest example of fasten is seat belt. So when we go in the car, I tell my students, fasten your seatbelt. That means close your seatbelt. Fasten your seatbelt. So we use fasten for belt or any sort of bag or harness, right? We say fasten. Roller coaster, fasten your belt or fasten your harness, okay, like that. Next one, invention. We know invention, something new, a finding or discovery. So something new, something I made, something I found, or something I discovered. 3 kinds, right? Next one, judge. An official who hears and decides court cases. So he's the man in the courtroom that goes, boom, boom. That's called judge. Who are the people here? Who are the people that argue? What's their job name? Do you know? Lawyer. Remember? Lawyer. So these people are lawyers. They say, you did this. No, you didn't. Yes, you did. No, you didn't. Blah, blah. And this man, the higher man, he's judge. Okay? So he makes decision. And then, actually, no, in Korea and America, these people make decision. Their name is jury. They're the jury. Jury. Not jury. Jury. So those people are the people who watch. And they write notes. And they say, I think this, right? And then the judge, he's kind of like referee, right? He says, no, you can't do that. Or yes, okay, So he's kind of referee. All right, next one. Ledge. A shelf. A little similar to edge, but ledge is on a shelf. So if we have a shelf, the ledge is up here, okay? So here's our shelf, like bookshelf. And I say, hey, can you put this on the ledge? That means put the book on the shelf, the one shelf, okay? So second ledge, first ledge, maybe second ledge, third ledge, or opposite, you can do that, okay? It's the shelf part of the bookshelf, Okay. Next one, lodge. A small house. Usually lodge is in like, very similar to cabin. Remember cabin? Those are almost the same. So usually when we go on vacation, we can stay at a lodge, like in the forest. In the forest or in the mountain. Forest or mountain, there's lodge. Okay? If it's on the beach, we call small house hut. Right? Hut is on the beach. But forest and mountain, lodge. Lodge. Okay? Next one, looked. Ooh, very easy. I saw, I gazed. Gaze means long time seeing. Like this. Like staring, kind of. Gazing. Okay? Next one, motorcycle. Motorcycle. Two-wheeled motorized transportation. Little bit different. Motorcycle is more power than motorbike. Do you understand? Motorbike is kind of what we call pizza man or chicken man. They don't drive motorcycle. No, they drive motorbike. Because that doesn't have much power, right? It's like, and they sit like this. Motorcycle, you have to sit on the chair and you do like this, right? Is more power is motorcycle. Because sometimes my students get confused between motorbike and motorcycle. But the lower power, like pizza man, chicken man, that's not motorcycle. That's motorbike. Higher power is motorcycle. So actually not many people have motorcycle, right? It's not very popular in city. Usually motorcycle is for like, we think someone who has like leather jacket and they're cool, you know, like Batman or something. He has the big motorcycle, you know. It's not very popular transportation, okay? Next one, nation. Nation. A group of people under one government. So nation and country are the same. Yeah, the same. Okay? Nation and country are the same. Continent is bigger, right? So like Asia is continent. Korea, no, not Korea. South Korea is country. North Korea is country or nation. Like that, okay? Next one, nudge. Nudge. To push or poke gently, like this. So this is my friend, like, hey, wake up. I nudge them. You push or poke gently, not hard. Gently is nudge you, okay? If you do hard, that's not nudge. That's hard. Yeah, that's what would that be called? Hitting. You're just hitting, okay? But like wake up, you nudge gently, okay? Next one, question. We know question. Something that is asked, right? Next one, soaring. To fly high into the air. Yes, or you can say soaring is not moving wings. So if a bird is soaring, they're just this, in the air. Okay? They don't have to go like this. That's flying. This is soaring. Okay? So this meaning is a little bit strange. It doesn't have to be very high. It could be low. It's just gliding. Okay, next one, uncle. Oh, that's easy. The brother of your mother or father. Don't forget, mother or father. Some students say, oh, my mother, uncle. What? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't matter. Mother or father, brother, just say uncle. Uncle Bob, Uncle Jim, Uncle Tony, or whatever. Not your name, but you can say just uncle. Do you call your uncle by their name? No, you just say uncle? Like that? Ah, yeah. You say like small or big. Right? But no name. Wow. In English we say uncle and then the name. So I say, hey Uncle Dave, or hey Uncle Tony, like that. It's kind of strange. Next one, vacation. Time of rest from work or study. We know that. Alright, so let's do the questions. Okay? Ooh, you can see my answers. Alright, so turn the page. We're going to do the questions together, okay? Alright, first one. Choose the best word. First one. The blah 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 sat at the desk in the courtroom. Who sits in the courtroom? This guy. Judge. Yeah. He is in the courtroom. The courtroom is where he works. Courtroom. Judge. J-U-D-G-E. You guys, this is good practice for spelling. Don't forget spelling, okay? Next one. Sam wrote his be both. The answer can be both bicycle or motorcycle. It's okay. To the park. So if you wrote either, that's okay.
Bicycle. Motorbike.
No, not motorbike. He's not a pizza man. Pizza delivery man. 3. Draw a
Circle.
circle. Yeah. Draw a circle around the number. Okay. Drawing. That usually means circle. Okay. Next one. Okay. This can have 2 answers. Ted's
Uncle.
No, but that's a good answer. I don't know why they didn't write that. Yeah, it's not uncle though. It's something, not a person. There was an accident, but it's still in good condition.
Motorcycle.
You know what? Yes, it's okay. This one says, their answer says bicycle or invention. But I don't like invention really, so I would say bicycle or motorcycle, but maybe if you do the test, they want bicycle or invention, okay? So answer is bicycle or invention, one of them. So I would say probably bicycle is best. Okay, question 5. Is that blender a new? Blender is invention, yeah, invention. Is it a new invention? That means like, is it something new? Question 6. Will he be staying at the lodge? Yes, lodge. That's a place you sleep, so you could say staying. Okay. Let's see. Question 7. Our nation has 50 states. Not your nation. My nation, not our. Okay, next one. That article was in the newspaper yesterday, okay? That article. Sometimes people use story was in the newspaper. That's okay too. Next one, 9. Did that man... says 2 answers. Did that man question or judge you? I think question is better. Question you. Did that man question you? That's really strange English though. But that means like, did he ask you a question? Did he question you? I don't like that sentence. Boo. Question you. 10. That piece of wood has a rough, edge, this part. Okay. So it's kind of not smooth, it's very rough. Oh, I was like, where's the other one? Right here. Alright, so 11. All the words that end in DGE. Judge, edge. Lodge? Oh, lodge. Lodge. And ledge. Ledge and lodge. And one more. Nudge, right? Nudge. Edge, judge, ledge, lodge, nudge. Okay, TION, invention. What else? Question, attention, nation, and vacation, yes. Attention, invention, question, nation, vacation. And CLE? Bicycle, motorcycle, uncle, article, circle. Yes, good. Bicycle, motorcycle, uncle, circle. Wait, article. Yeah, did I already say that? Article.
모르겠다.
You okay, Sam? Oh my gosh. You got it? All right, okay, let me check your homework. After you guys finish that.